Hello and welcome friends. If you are new to this channel then please subscribe. Today I will show you that if the onboard display doesn't work after fixing your graphics card, what you have to do. I have freshly installed a graphics card in my computer and the primary onboard display is not working. So you can see I have two monitors side by side. HDMI is working from the new GPU processor and the onboard graphics processor is not working. So how to resolve it? So for this you have to make sure that there is no disconnection or loose connection in the monitor cable. There should be power cable attached and the HDMI and onboard VGA cable attached to the VGA monitor also. So this you can check. And if you see the cables are properly attached and power supply is also there, still there is no display from your onboard VGA port to the monitor, then you have to do this. So go to the BIOS and I will take you there once I reboot it. So I am giving the reboot option in my computer. Restart. Say so on my computer I say restart. So when the computer will restart, then you will have to go to the BIOS setting. I have paused the video here. So see when it restarted, you have to press the Del button or F2 button as applicable to your computer to enter the setup. So now the computer is restarting. I press the Del button. Enter BIOS. Computer is restarting. When it starts booting, you have to press the Del button or F2 button to enter the step. As applicable to your computer, you will press that button. So my computer is same button to enter the setup. Press Del button. Here in BIOS, you have to tap move forward to reach set. In the chipset, integral graphics. In my computer, is the first item in the list. So here you see BIOS, you tap forward and come to chipset. In chipset, there is an option to set internal graphics disable or enable. So if you see it disabled, you just enter it, mark it enabled. So now your onboard internal graphics is enabled. So it was earlier disabled, because of which the onboard display was not working and your monitor was not showing any output. So now once internal display is enabled, you can save. After enabling it, you come to save and exit. Click on save and exit setup. Save and exit. So I did enter and it is asking me to save the configuration. I said yes. Now it will go to reboot. And as you see, the monitor was off initially. After getting started, and both monitors are up and running. So this right side is from the onboard display card, and this one is from the new graphics card. So this is how you can fix your display problem when you attach new graphics processing unit in your computer. And further, you can go to the display settings to mark which display you want to set as primary display and which one you want to make the secondary display. So you can do that from the display settings. So I will select my onboard display as primary display. In order to mark it primary, you have to scroll down and make this my main display, checkbox on. So my VGA onboard monitor will be primary. So first monitor, it will be shown as primary when it is booting or when it is in use. And I have kept it for extended display, so I can use both the monitors simultaneously for different views. So you can open some app like here I am going to open a notepad to show you. So notepad comes here, the primary display, but if you want to use it, you can change it to the secondary display.